Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the day 1 outlook. We have two areas where we have marginals today. One marginal covers parts of northeastern Montana and northwestern North Dakota. Another marginal today covers eastern Tennessee, eastern Alabama, southwestern and southeastern North Carolina, most of South Carolina, most of Georgia, and pretty much all of Florida, with the exception of the Florida Panhandle. Cities in today's marginals include Jacksonville, Florida, Atlanta, Georgia, Miami, Florida, Tampa, Florida, and St. Petersburg, Florida. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses the eastern coast of Florida, eastern Georgia, southwestern and far southeastern North Carolina, and most of South Carolina. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk area today include Jacksonville, Florida, Miami, Florida, Hialeah, Florida, Orlando, Florida, and Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Going to today's wind threat, there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering northeastern Montana and northwestern North Dakota. Another 5% wind risk area today encompasses all of Florida except for the Florida Panhandle, eastern Alabama, most of Georgia, eastern Tennessee, southwestern and southeastern North Carolina, and most of South Carolina. Cities in today's 5% wind risk area today include Jacksonville, Florida, Atlanta, Georgia, Miami, Florida, Tampa, Florida, and St. Petersburg, Florida. Going to today's hail threat, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses southeastern Tennessee, northeastern and east central Alabama, most of Georgia, and north central Florida. Cities in today's 5% hail risk area today include Jacksonville, Florida, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Montgomery, Alabama, and Columbus, Georgia. So, in summary, isolated severe thunderstorms are possible across parts of the southeast today, where a tornado or two, localized damaging winds, and hail could occur. Isolated severe wind gusts are also possible in northeast Montana to northwest North Dakota around early evening. So, that's your day 1 outlook. So, stay safe in the affected areas today, despite just being marginals, because sometimes marginals can produce big. So, and day 2 right now, day 2 just has general thunderstorms. Day 2 just has general thunderstorms. But if day 2 gets upgraded to a marginal, I still won't be able to have the video because I've school today, so until 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So if day 2 gets upgraded to a marginal, I'm going to have SPC convective outlooks fill in for me for day 2. So I'll see if he has time to fill in for me. But again, if day 2 just remains general thunderstorms, then he will not have the video, because there will be no point. If it's just general thunderstorms and no severe, then there's no point in having a video. So, anyway, but again, should day 2 get upgraded to a marginal, SPC convective outlooks will fill in for me, and that will share his video. So, stay safe today in the marginals, and I will see you when I see you. Take care.